Ever wonder why some people seem to age faster than others? The answer might surprise you. It's not just genetics or skincare. The real secret to slowing down aging is hiding in your gut. Your digestive system is the surprising epicenter of how fast you age. As we age, our gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in our digestive system, loses diversity. This isn't just about digestion. A 2024 study found that older adults with less diverse gut bacteria showed increased frailty, slower walking speed, and accelerated aging throughout their entire body. Here's what's really happening. Your gut lining acts as a barrier, keeping toxins out of your bloodstream. But with age, stress, and poor diet, this barrier breaks down. This is called leaky gut. When your gut leaks, inflammatory compounds flood your bloodstream, triggering a system-wide inflammatory response. This chronic low-grade inflammation, scientists call it inflammaging, is the primary driver of age-related diseases. It's like a slow-burning fire that damages your cells, breaks down collagen, and accelerates aging at a cellular level. And it all starts in your gut. Your gut health literally shows on your face. Inflammation from your gut breaks down collagen and elastin, causing wrinkles, sagging, and loss of radiance. Research shows that a healthy gut microbiome can protect against UV damage and maintain youthful skin. So how do you restore a youthful gut? The answer involves targeted nutrition, specific probiotics, gut healing compounds, and stress management strategies. But there's a precise protocol that addresses the root cause of gut aging, not just the symptoms. This is where most people get it wrong. The full guide on our blog breaks down the exact steps to repair your gut lining, restore microbiome diversity, and reverse inflammaging. Click the link in the description to read the complete protocol. And if you want to discover your current toxic load, take our free toxicity quiz. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed health strategies.